Okay, so in this question, a horizontal disk rotates with constant speed omega as viewed from the above. A coin of mass m on the disk moves counterclockwise in a circle of radius capital R as shown in this figure. Which of the following expression correctly represent the minimum coefficient of static friction required to prevent the coin from sliding? This is the coin. It has the mass m, right? This is the top view. If I draw this as, this is my coin and this is on the plate which is rotating. So the mass is acting downwards and this is the center of the plate, so this is r radius. Because it is on the plate, a normal reaction would be acting upward, and it is revolving, or it is the coin, if you see, it is making a circular path. So I can say that there is a centripetal force acting towards the center. Coin is stationary, like it is on the disc, it is not moving. The centripetal force is the frictional force due to which it is at this place. Because if we increase omega, this, in which direction it would go? This direction.
Yeah.
The coin will slip towards, like outside. So the frictional force is acting in the opposite direction. So it would be acting towards center. So this would be equal to the frictional force. And what frictional force? Frictional force is equal to, in this case, mu s into normal. What is this mu s? Coefficient of static friction. So I can write m r, capital R it is, omega square is equal to frictional force, or the frictional force is equal to mu s into normal, m r omega square. And this normal is what? From this diagram, it is clear that normal is equal to mg, mu s into
Yeah.
mg, m r omega square. So m got cancelled, and mu s, so mu s is equal to r omega square upon g. A is the correct option. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please like it and subscribe the channel. We will bring more problems along with the solution. So if you have any query, then you can WhatsApp me. If you want a private tuition from me, then you can scan this or send me an email on forcetra.physicss@gmail.com. See you in the next video.